Pag halimbawa within the marriage, may mga umaaligid, hindi lang sa'yo, kahit kay Lucy.
Oo.
Oo. How do you guys manage that?
Sa atin, in our business, in
Oo.
show business, grabe yung temptation, di ba?
Right.
Not necessarily from our peers, our colleagues, pero, from outside forces. Pero siguro there's a way of just, turning away, turning a blind eye. Ganun na lang ginagawa ko.
Oh, and that love has to be bigger than
Yes.
that temptation.
That marriage is very sacred.
Oo. Pero kayo ni Lucy, bukas talaga yung pag-uusap.
Ang line of communication namin,
Yeah.
very open.
No matter how difficult the subject matter is, you guys
we
talk to each
talk
other.
about it.
Oo.
As a matter of fact, I was so happy last night because she's mayor of Ormoc, and then I'm here in Manila. Ang tagal namin nag-uusap kagabi sa phone. Sabi kanya, alam mo, ang tagal natin walang ganitong katagal na conversation sa
Sabi
phone.
niya?
Oo. Siguro we were talking for more than an hour. Kwentuhan lang kami nagkwento over the phone. Then, sabi ko, it's 2 o'clock in the morning, matulog na tayo.